safely. NFTtrader.io. So this is the middle platform between the traders. So one of the traders has to be the initiator of the trade. That person simply goes to the NFTtrader.io and chooses the counterparty's wallet and the NFT out of the collection they want to trade, and then they choose the NFT from their own collection. And they initiate the trade. There are two fees. First, smaller fee of approval for the platform to use your Ethereum. And that is like $20. Then the other fee for the platform that is quite a fair, something like 0.005 ETH for the trade. So it's something like 100 to 150 bucks with the current prices. And then after the trade has been initiated, the counterparty of the trade can go to NFT Trader, log in with their wallet, and there they will see, here are the completed trades, which I have done before, and here are the pending trades. The trade appears here, and then you just simply click it. This swap is pending. There is the initiation time, and here you can see the preview. So this is the asset out of my wallet. Here is the HAPE I have. This is the asset in that they are giving me for the trade. And here is the Etherscan. There you can see the Etherscan transaction, and everything is transparent, So then you just here close the swap, click it, loading assets, and this is very simple. There is the my wallet asset out, that is selected, and this is the counterparty's asset in, that is selected there. So I got this full outfit tiger from the floor price, and now I'm trading it for this duotone baby blue-eyed bossy HAPE with the duotone black background. Yet the eyes, what comes to HAPEs, the eyes and the fur are the most intimate traits. I really like this tiger HAPE. It is the year of the tiger, so this was kind of a hard trade, but this HAPE, this duotone HAPE, very simplistic, no tattoos, no accessories. This is my style, and I already had this one, a weeks ago in the spotlight, and I back then already talked with the NFT owner. But now that I got this tiger HAPE, this 687 owner had they really loved this tiger, and we are closing the trade. So there you can see the NFT trader fee, and this is pretty fair. It's fair for safe trade platform, and I really like the idea of trading NFTs more than selling and buying, because first of all, you save taxes when you just trade. You save taxes and you save fees, let's say. So now we simply here pay now, and then the MetaMask notification pops up, and there it is. It cost me $81 with the current fees, and now it's updated 81, and I'm simply here confirming it. Please wait until the operation is complete. Will be completed. Now it's closing the swap, and there we go. Operation completed. Now we go back home, my trades, completed trades, and there it is. To my collections, there it is. our new ape in the house. Welcome. It's very simple, straightforward, fast, trustful, quick. Ethereum is so steady platform as a rock for this kind of decentralized ways to do deals, and this is just a fine example of that. Till the next time, more about NFTs. Oof. So once more, here is the Ether scan of the completed swap. And just a note that these trades are not visible in the collections activity if you go to the collection and click their activity, but they are visible in the individual's activity of the wallet. So here is my wallet activity, and here it is, the transfers are visible here. Once again, here is the summary of the both apes of the trade. The tiger, super cool, yellow-eyed. These eyes really stand out. You can look this afar and it stands out. It really strikingly fit to the whole 83 passion, motivation for life. And here is the another one, bossy, baby blue-eyed, yes, baby blue, bossy baby blue-eyed, clean ape on duotone black background. With all this, safe adventures within the art of NFTs and the utility of the future. Woof woof. Making.